Let's get you started with our resume and CV readability tool. Drag your resume or CV file into the upload box or select a file from your computer, then add a custom identifying name. In this case, we've called our upload UX Developer, as it is tailored specifically for applications to this area. It can take a few minutes for your readability results to be generated. While you wait, you can explore our resources or continue to use other features of the site. You'll receive a pop-up notification at the top of your screen when your results are ready. Once your resume or CV has processed, head to the readability page to view your results. Below the thumbnail image of your file, you'll see a result of either passed or action required. Click on the thumbnail to open the full results page. The ATS tool extracts your data into searchable fields used for candidate screening, such as contact details, work history, and searchable skills and keywords. If there are any noticeable gaps or errors in your extracted data, it can reveal issues with readability that needs to be addressed so that you don't unnecessarily get missed out for jobs you are applying for. To find out what may be causing an error in your displayed data, click on the Tips button next to that particular section, then use our guidelines to amend your resume or CV for better readability. Whenever you see an AI Insights button, click it to view some personalized recommendations based on your data. These include a professional career summary, bullet point suggestions for enhancing the impact of your work descriptions, and a skills review for your profession. You can send yourself a copy of your AI Insights by clicking the Email a Copy button at the bottom of each section. At the bottom of the main results page is a section for keeping notes. This could be used for keeping check of amendments you want to make, or even ideas you've gained from our AI Insights tool. You can also view your original resume or CV anytime by clicking the View button at the top of the results page. Here you can add temporary notations to your resume or CV before downloading it to your computer. Before uploading an optimized version of your resume or CV, be sure to delete the old version by clicking the 3 dots at the bottom of the thumbnail. Remember, getting a pass result will ensure your resume or CV is extracted properly by applicant tracking systems, while our AI Insights is there to help improve readability to hiring managers. Lastly, the readability tool allows you to save up to 3 resumes or CVs. By clicking the Job Match AI button, you can assign or unassign a specific resume or CV to the Job Tracker and Job Match tools. For more details of these, refer to the tutorial on the Job Match page. That's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to the team via the live chat button on your dashboard.